Oh hey, that's me, Brainy Bill from Louden Science. For the past 3 years, I've been on a mission to bring exciting, hands-on science to children, families, schools, and events all over New York City and beyond. I love my job, and I'm good at it. But this past March, when COVID-19 struck New York City, all large gathering spaces shut down. It was time to find a new way forward. Now, my mission is to bring you the same exciting science directly through the small screen. Hey Internet, Brainy Bill from Louden Science here, the guy you just saw in that video montage. As you heard, I've moved all of my operations here to my home laboratory in Brooklyn, New York, and your support helps make this all possible. It allows me to produce new content that is accessible to everyone who wants to see it, like YouTube videos about science in one breath and home science hackeries and home science fails. It also allows me to continue offering the Woology Science Club, a completely free science experience for anyone, anywhere who wants to participate. It also allows me to offer cool services like translation and captioning. So check out the rewards, the benefits, let's start a conversation, and remember, do more science, have more fun.